Hey guys, I'm sure you guys would have seen our first two episodes, which were shot at the Sutera Harbour Resort in Kota Kinabalu. And today, we've driven about 2 hours, close to about 132 kilometers from Kota Kinabalu, and we are here at this beautiful, beautiful paradise. It's called the Sabah Tea Resort in Ranau, which is in the state of Sabah in Malaysia. So what are we going to do today? We're going to be using tea leaves in our cooking. So we're going to be doing two dishes. We're going to be doing an Indian dish, which is prawns with tea. And before that, we're going to start off with lamb cooked with shoots of green tea, what we call two leaves and a bud. So to do that today, as usual, we have our celebrity chef from the Tourism Board of Malaysia, Tourism Board of Sabah, and he's none other than Chef Bobby Alex. Chef Bobby.
Hello,
hey.
Chef.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So today, I'm gonna be preparing this lamb with Sabah tea leaves. So first and foremost, we're gonna mix this lamb.
We got to marinate the lamb. Okay,
Yeah.
there we go. We marinate some beautiful lamb cutlets. They call it the lamb cutlets in this part of town.
Yes, that's right.
So what are we adding? What are we adding to that?
This is hoisin sauce.
Okay, hoisin sauce.
So it's sweet, sour, and a bit salty.
So hoisin sauce is a take on soya. It's a little fermented soya bean paste. It's sweet, sour, salty, also a little bit of umami, brilliant flavors.
And after that, we'll follow
With
by
oyster sauce?
Oyster sauce.
Okay, so we're adding some oyster sauce to it.
Yep.
So we mix it all up.
Yeah. And then
Soy sauce as well?
yeah, a little bit of soy sauce.
A little bit of soy sauce. Okay, there goes the soy sauce.
So we just
Mix it up.
So now, Chef, we are ready to put the oil in.
So we put some oil in.
Yeah.
There we go. Is that enough?
Just a little bit more.
A little bit
All right,
more.
that will be good.
So the oil has gone in.
Yeah.
So we wait for a minute to the oil to get hot, and then in goes the lamb.
Yeah. So before that, we'll put in the shallots first.
So before the oil, we put in some shallots. Okay, the stage is yours.
This is the shallots. So we are ready now to add in the garlic. Now we are ready to put in the dry chili.
Chili is a fantastic ingredient. You know, it just doesn't give spiciness to a dish. It gives it a lot of flavor to the dish.
So at this
So do
stage,
we add the lamb?
yes, this stage
do
we are
it?
ready. Yes, please.
Okay, there you go. We add the lamb. We use 2 spoons.
Yep. There you go. So easy to move them around.
So are we ready to
Yes,
add the water now?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so the water goes in.
Just a little bit more.
The water has to reduce. It starts to simmer, starts to boil, and then it reduces. So as it reduces, the flavors get concentrated, and the meat is cooked. And then we're going to come back and add the other ingredients. I think it should be done by now.
Yes.
Can we check? Oh wow.
Yeah. So the water has reduced down.
Well, you can see the water is reduced down. The meat is nice, caramelized. Flavors are concentrated. The chili has given out all its goodness into the lamb. The garlic has done its work. The onion has done its work.
So
I
now-
can smell it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's brilliant. It's just beautiful. We add salt, and if you're wondering why we're adding sugar, we're adding sugar just to balance flavors.
Yeah.
So maybe a teaspoon of sugar,
Yep.
just to cut down the sourness and the spiciness.
Yeah. The big one.
Okay, so you're adding another. What's the chili called?
This is called chili besar. Here it simply means big chili.
Okay, so it's called chili bisar,
Yeah.
which means big chili.
Yes.
There's a little nip in the air, and I think it's just brilliant. The colors are just beautiful. Chocolate brown lamb, bright red chilies. Okay, so we add the whole tea leaves without chopping it.
Yep, that's right. And now in goes the green pepper.
So in goes the green pepper.
And finally we put in the cashew nuts.
So these are roasted or are they fried?
They are fried.
Okay, so they're deep fried cashew nuts that go in
Go in here.
at the end. So we clean the platter up. Needs to cook some more or shall we plate it?
We just cover it like for a few seconds.
Okay. So we just give it one last shot of steam and I think the dish should be done.
To turn off
Okay,
the
we're
fire.
ready to turn the fire off. The dish is done. Oh, that's amazing. So, shall we plate it? So there you go, guys. The lamb is ready to be plated. Yes, I think that should do. Oh, that's brilliant. Just a small little plating tip. As we always finish plating, we take a kitchen towel and wipe the sides off so that the platter looks a bit clean and neat. Okay, there you go.
And as a final touch, we'll just garnish it with
And as a final touch,
some tea leaves.
we do the garnish with some tea leaves. Okay.
So we are done.
Oh, so there you go, guys. Lamb cutlets cooked with tea leaves, chili, garlic, onions, cashew nuts, and some green pepper. The taste of the Sabah Tea Garden. With the rains behind us, with a hot platter of lamb, I think it's melting in the mouth. I'm going to try a piece. I'm going to use my hands. That's the best way to taste food. The lamb is perfectly cooked. It's got a little sweetness to it, saltiness. The chili is just well balanced. The cashew nuts are going to give it that crunch. Wow, I think nothing can beat this in a weather like this. Guys, try this at home and do tell us, do write to us and tell us how you feel about it. And please visit this place. You're going to love this dish. Chef Bobby, thank you so much for
You're
being here
welcome.
and teaching us how to make the lamb.
It's my pleasure, Chef.
It's a pleasure for us to come here and you hosting us to learn something fantastic from your cuisine. Thanks a lot once again.
Thank you too.
Good day.
You too.
And I hope you guys loved watching what we're doing today. The rains are pouring in, it's getting a little nippy, and I'm going to run inside with a bowl of rice to finish this. Bye.